Today I'm sharing with you my favorite go-to recipe for homemade blue cheese dressing for wings or for salad or to use as a dip with vegetables. It's so simple and you don't need any mayo. What you're going to do is combine all of the ingredients together except a couple of them. So you want to combine together the sour cream, Greek yogurt, buttermilk, lemon, salt, and pepper. Combine it all together with the garlic powder. Whisk it all around, and then it's time to add in the blue cheese crumbles. I like to use it already crumbled sometimes. Other times I'll get blue cheese on a block and dice that up myself and add it in. So after all the creamy ingredients are together, then you go ahead and throw in that blue cheese crumble mix. And I like it super chunky. I want to pick up some nice blue cheese chunks when I'm eating my wings. You can get tons of different recipes for wings at Sip, Bite, Go. I have smoked wings, grilled wings, sous vide wings. So anyways, if you want just a creamy blue cheese dressing, you want to mash up the blue cheese a little bit more. But I'm going all in with the big crumbles, and this all comes together so nicely. You just stir that around, and then it's time to plate. Now, I usually make the wings sides in advance, so I'll chop up the vegetables and get this homemade blue cheese dressing ready. I like to sprinkle either some fresh cilantro or fresh chives like you see here on top. It gives a little bit of color and adds some flavor too. And then you're ready to serve. One thing you can do is cover it up with some plastic wrap if you're gonna stick it in the fridge. Otherwise, you can go ahead and just enjoy it right then. Well, if you have any needs for wing recipes, make sure to check out Sip, Bite, Go. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!